Hey there, I'm Mr. Know-It-All, the lead swing trading analyst trader at Swing Trade Pros, the #1 swing trading and bot community in the world. And I genuinely want to help you make your mark in the thrilling world of swing trading cryptocurrency. I've been trading since 2017 and I've taught myself many different trading strategies, patterns. I'm known for the falling wedge pattern, as you guys might know. I've dedicated my life to mastering these types of structures and patterns, and now my goal is to impact the lives of 1 million of you. You heard that right. My goal is to impact 1 million people this full cycle. Let that be you. Cryptocurrency markets can be a roller coaster ride, full of ups and downs. But through swing trading, I've discovered a strategy that can truly make a difference. I've poured countless hours to studying the intricacies of falling wedge patterns, rising wedge patterns, you name it, and it has become my area of expertise. Here's the thing. I genuinely want to see you thrive in this market. That's why I've made it my mission to impact 1 million of you. I want to provide you with the tools, insight, and support you need to navigate this exciting but challenging landscape. Swing trading is not just about technical analysis, it's about understanding market psychology and developing disciplined risk management strategies. I'll be there to guide you step by step as we identify different types of patterns and structures and seize profitable opportunities. Together, we'll build your confidence in trading skills, ensuring you're well prepared to face the twists and turns of swing trading. Believe me when I say that I genuinely care about your success. That's why I'm inviting you to join me, Mr. Know-It-All, on this transformative journey. Let's make the most of this full cycle and work towards your financial freedom together. You'll find all my links in my bio. Reach out and let's dive into this world of swing trading. I'm here to support you and your family and guide you every step of the way because your success matters to me. Together, let's make a real impact and achieve trading success.
All right, welcome back, traders. Figured I'd do a live session tonight. I'm looking at WIF Coin here. It's heavily oversold on the RSI. Let's strategize a trade on a WIF. It's very oversold here on the shorter time frames. I think maybe we could look for a long down here. We are in a 4-hour demand zone. We have oversold candles, and our momentum is swinging back up. We'll see how this plays. I mean, we don't have like a long signal that's necessarily in just yet. I was looking at Tether here. Tether is printing short on the 15-minute and 13-minute chart. So we could see some chopped for a bit before we get maybe a push up, potentially. Yeah, we'll see. It looks like, yeah, I don't know, maybe we will or we won't get a move, but it's worth a shot down here with how oversold we are. Our entry is not so good. I think I'm in at 2.70453. But we'll see if we can get some sort of bounce here. I think we can at least go test 2.75 without really. Yeah, I mean, our daily momentum is starting to roll over, but shorter time scales, I think we can get a maybe a bounce if Tether will let us do that. It looks like I said, it looks like this is coming down. So that should be, yeah, well, we could go sideways or maybe we could continue down. We'll see. It's a bit of a tricky spot because the daily momentum is losing momentum, and it's like right at an area where I would say that it should bounce a little bit here. I'm still, I mean, that short signal is good. I mean, we have to really break 6.87%. And to me, if we look at like the 15-minute momentum, or even, yeah, if we look at the 15-minute momentum, we did just cross down. So to me, I think we will see this move up here in the next 15, 20, 30 minutes, maybe hour. We could be going chopping around here for a little bit before we do that. But ultimately, I think we will get at least a test to, 2.75 for a nice little scalp long. Let's see if this plays out. Like I said, I'm in a long. My entry is not the best. 2.0753 is my entry on this. We'll see. Like I said before, Tether probably going to come down a little bit after this big move up it had. And 15-minute oscillating down. I mean, everything else kind of looks bullish, though. So we'll see. This is like a really, really high-risk long trade, I would say. Yeah. Let's see. We bounce here. Yeah, I'm taking a little bit of a risky trade here. But like I said, we got some oversold candles. It really wouldn't shock me if we did see an attempted push here. At least to test this, even if we just go up and reject it or something, that would be enough to make a profit on this trade. I think it just looks to me like we're very oversold, man, and momentum is swinging up. There it goes. All right, so there you go. We're about to be in a profit on this trade. RPM, what's up, dude? Let's see if my reading of this tether chart is accurate. Like I said before, we're getting a 15-minute cross down, so that should result in a push up in the market, even if it's a small push. I'm not really looking for a big trade here. I'm looking for a small move. So yeah, we're right in, like I said before, right in the 4-hour demand zone here. And we're going to close the 4-hour in 37 minutes. So yeah, I mean, this could take a little bit of chopping around. The 2-hour went oversold, the hourly's oversold, 15 minutes oversold. Well, it's not oversold anymore, but well, yeah, the 15-minute RSI is oversold. So, I mean, if you're going to be long, this is where you want to do it. You don't want to be doing longs up here. So, if we are going to scalp something, see if we get Tether to give us a nice little movement down here so we can profit off this movement. Yeah, I mean, we are going to chop around for a bit, I think. Yeah. So Tether overbought, right? And then now coming down. Every single time Tether goes overbought, we get a pullback on Tether. Even if it's on a 15-minute chart, it doesn't matter. We could, in 15 minutes, 20, 30 minutes movement, we could easily see a push up, like I'm saying, maybe even if it's a 3% move. I'm going to go with a take profit at 2.75, man. That's going to be my TP on this trade. And I'm just going to let that go. 2.75 puts me at a $1,600 profit, man. That's great. Let's go for that. I think that's a good trade call. I think that can happen in the next maybe hour or so if Tether really does start to lose some momentum here on the 15-minute. And we got one person on the stream tonight. Yeah, that's typically how these go. I don't really get a lot of action because I don't really go live a lot, I guess, right? RPM, what's up, dude? Yeah, so we're printing that 2-minute short signal right now. And see if we can get some tunes on here while I trade this action. Right, so Tether short, we should see a push up here. We got an asset that's oversold. 15-minute. Okay, looking at 2.75 reasons. Even 7% region, but I think it's likely to trend down a bit here. And our volatility is down. But we've lost the volatility on the movement. It's down, so we don't really want to be in shorts when volatility is down right now. Let's see. I could be entirely wrong with this move, but we'll see. And things can stay oversold for a while. Remember, my entry is not the best, 27053. So I'm not in a profit right now on this trade. Now, we obviously are definitely bear flagged, but not to say we don't get a bit of a movement here. After oversold white candles and Tether coming down, we should see some price action. We got to take out this demand zone here at 4.87%. If we do that, we're going to see some nice price action. Now I'm watching the momentum oscillator here on the 15. If this starts giving me blue stochastics, I'm probably going to cut the trade. But until then, and in our hourly, if you look at our hourly, right into the supply zone here, right? And we're even printing, 45-minute overbought. So this could take some time to play out. We could be looking at about a couple hours in a trade here. We'll see. This is coming down nicely on the 45-minute chart. We wicked off this and tried to bounce here. We're now printing a 20-minute short signal on Tether. we go. See if we get the movement, guys. Remember, we're trying to take out this low. Shorter time scales. Starting to print hourlies on our momentum oscillator here as well. Okay, now they don't always play out, but with Tether coming down, I think this is a high probability trade down here. Set a TP at 2.75 if you are just joining the stream. All right. Well, if Tether is not going to make a lower low, and we are probably out of dice on this trade. Touching the Kijun line. We did get a 15-minute or 10-minute bearish cross. We're looking at some chop here, man. All right, good. Another lower high printing. That's good. Looks like a rejection coming in here. And WIF, what are you doing? Are you going to react to that? No, you're not. You are going to react to that. We probably got a squeeze happening here. We're about to get a 1-minute cross. All right, our trade is now in the green. Well, this might not play out, boys. This might not play out. Still gonna stay in this trade until it breaks support, or really, you know, I mean, too big of a loss to really withstand this. But I'm not really liking the price action just yet. Let's see. Starting to move a little bit here. $2.75. That's my target, man. Hopefully we get there while I'm on the stream here tonight with you folks. Starting to reclaim the Keegan line here. That means Tether's probably getting rejected. It's a good candle open there for WIF. All right, nice push. We're breaking a squeeze here. We're basically about break even right now. We are in a squeeze, a 2-minute squeeze, with stochastics pointing up. And as you know, the 15-minute here on Tether is cross down. So I suspect a push up. Pardon me here. I'm just going to check one of these other coins I'm in. It's called Ink. This is a incentive token on the Pulse chain. A nice falling wedge pattern here. And again, the 4-hour here is about to cross up. We got a 2-hour cross. The daily looks pretty close to doing it. The 12-hour did cross, but came back down a bit. 8-hour and 4-hour. A 4-hour is really why I got back in the trade, holding the range low here. But we are back testing it and see if we get a move up there on that. All right, so we're at a profit now on WIF. If you guys are just joining me here, we entered at 2.7053. We are now getting that 2-minute squeeze push. Hopefully we can break the top of this range at 2.72. We got a nice long signal that just printed. Our trade is in a profit. Hopefully you guys are with me here. And we are going to ride the WIF token here for a little bit while Tether comes off. We are now testing and potentially breaking the 15-minute or 13-minute Keegan line here. And looking pretty good here on the 10-minute with further downside to come, which should produce a good result for our trade. If you're with me here, man, make sure you say something in the chat. I know we only got a couple people on tonight, but it's late. I get it. I get that. So if this does play to the upside, we're looking at about a 2.34% measured move, which should take us to about 280. Or this volume node probably at 275, which is where I set the take profit, 2.75. If you're just tuning in, 275 is my target on this trade, which happens to be confluent with the median of the 15-minute Bollinger Band. And we are trading the 15-minute time frame because we got a 15-minute short signal on Tether. All right, we're coming down to the range low here Our trade is now definitely in a profit, a nice profit. We got the 2-minute squeeze that is starting to bust out. Right, we cross bullish here. Our 3, 2, 3, and 5 minute are crossing bullish. Our 10 minutes about to cross bullish. It looks like we're going to get a nice push up. Now unfortunately, we could get caught up here at the median of this Bollinger Band, the 10-minute. So something to pay attention to, and we'll be watching for that. The top of the range here is 271. But if this really does come down a bit, you know, this hourly here on Tether is definitely coming down. I mean, this is definitely more of like a bearish rectangle type of trade, but like I said, oversold conditions usually produce movements back up. We have 15-minute RSI that is now just starting to maybe come out of oversold territory, and I believe our hourly is oversold, our 2 hours oversold, our 3 hour is not, but the hour and 2 hour are oversold, which is enough for me to take a trade off this movement. And here we go, guys. 271 here right now for WIF. Would you get a whiff of that? Nice little 1-minute hammer candle coming in. Nice push. Nice push. So our 1-minute supply is at 272. I guess we don't need to be greedy, man. We could probably take profit at that 272 region. We'll see how this plays out. Damn, I should have stayed in my INJ long, man. This thing looks like it's double bottoming right here on the daily. Right off the demand zone, right off the demand line here. We're pretty close to it. So we're probably gonna, like I said, we're probably gonna back test 275. Just seems like a really good area for it to go and test. If it is gonna go lower, that's where it will test to reject to eventually proceed lower. Our MACD here is now crossing back up. Some volatility on this coin. Yeah, coming into contact with the median of the 10-minute. I said that. I'm just looking for a 275 move, man. I'm not a greedy man. Yeah, 285 is view up, though. Yeah. Just really depends on what Tether does here, man. Yeah. coming down on the range low again and holding the trend line for now. Should be good, man. There we go. Tether breaking. Should have stayed my INJ long, man. I had an entry at $25 on this thing. 25.05 was my entry. I made like $1,400 off of it earlier. All right, WIF, let's go. Oof. This thing is super volatile. Damn. Still no real break on this, man. Yeah, near is good, dude. Near protocol is going to be solid. I'm in a pretty big long trade on this coin right here, man. Got the 3-day bull div. I put about, I don't know, 35 grand into this trade, man. Good luck me. You know, you broke the channel, you backed it, you made a double bottom. It looks like to be a double bottom here. Look at that pin. A lot of buying pressure. It didn't close green, man, but that's pretty damn good. That is a bullish hammer on the daily. So I took a trade off that. Fuck. Fucking tether. Fucking shit coin. This thing is just hyper bullish, dude. I think that's a back test, but still, man, fuck me. Crushing my trade now. Not looking too hot on WIF right now after that break. Shit. Are we just gonna send it right now, dude? When those candles like that happen, usually we get like fucking rips. Oh, look at that candle, dude. Talk about a buyback candle. Look at that pin. Wow. Look at the 3-minute pin bar. Jesus Christ. Yeah, we're fucking ripping, dude. Let's go. Let's go WIF, baby. If that doesn't produce a move, I don't know, bro. That's a fucking. I know it's a small time frame, but it shouldn't really matter. Shouldn't really matter. That should produce some sort of buying action right there. Yeah, that's a back test. I knew that was a back test, man. Come on. This thing just crossed down, bro. The 20-minute hasn't crossed yet, but we need to engulf, man. How is that 3-minute hammer candle not gonna be a send it candle, bro? Come on. Look at this fucking. Look at the 2-minute. Look at that bullish engulfing like that. That's a That's a fucking candle, man. This thing is so volatile, bro. Damn. How do we not get a retest at 275? That's my question. Even if this is a bearish break, we usually get a back test and then, you know, roll over or something. Like, wow. Yeah. I don't know. This probably wasn't the best coin to trade. Damn. Not. Wow. Look how volatile this thing is, bro. Ugh. This thing is just crazy. These bots probably rip. Fucking make so much money trading this fucking coin. All right. New open. I'm basically at break even right now. A little bit down. I still can't believe that 3-minute hammer candle didn't produce any movement. It's not looking good. That 1 minute just went long. It's a rejection candle right now. Okay, I guess it could change really fast. This fucking coin is stupid with its action. I wouldn't want to be short down here, though. I'll tell you that much. At least not yet, anyway. We can look at WIF on yeah, it's trading 270 on the DEX also, yeah. 271s we printed here. Flatlining, oversold. Should fucking rip. ASM's probably a good long down here. This thing's fucking wrecked, dude. Algorand, probably a good long too. INJ still looks pretty decent to me here. Fucking whiff, dude. Did Tether just start going up, dude? Fuck. Are we fucked? I think we're fucked. Yeah, we're fucked. This trade's done, dude. Great timing. My son just woke up. Maybe we're not fucked. Another bounce. I don't know. Everything's oversold. I can't really be. How do you short something that's oversold? I don't know. If this is a double bottom, we're totally fucked. Yeah, we're printing a 13-minute potential reversal here. Yeah, well. It's not looking good. Oh yeah, that much. I'm wrecked right now, dude. Live trading sucks, man. I hope it doesn't. Might have to cut this trade in a minute here. This doesn't wick back up. Just losing momentum, man. Nasty. Lower high. Oh, that was a pretty big wick. This thing is fucking crazy, bro. Jesus. We should probably get out of longs. If this really starts to push, we're fucked. These nasty rejections right here, man. Still got to be oversold. I mean, it is, just doesn't. There's no divergence. That's the problem. I mean, I guess there is on the hourly. Inverted hammer reversal. Wow. I thought this pin bar here was gonna produce something good. Looks like we're losing momentum, man. Where's the rip? No rip. Rolling over. This is going back to dumping, man. Super Guppy's usually pretty good. Should probably get out of my long here. Jeez, yeah. Free fall coming for this thing. Yep, there it is. Wrecked. I'm down $500. Yeah, tether looks like it's gonna hold. See if this can bounce here at least a little bit. Get me out of this trade. Nasty, man. Just so nasty. This thing's about to fucking break. I'm never trading this coin again on Lib. No shot. Wow. Saved by the 1 minute demand zone. So what? We're going to bounce back up to the top of the range now? That'd be fabulous. What's going on, man? I'll be right back for 1 second, guys. I'm going to play a quick commercial break here. Still in the trade. Be right back.
Hey everyone, you've landed on the Swing Trade Pros website here. My name is Mr. Know-It-All. I've been an active swing trader for over 7 years. I want to welcome you guys all to the community here. My goal is to change 1 million people's lives with swing trading and trading profitably. This is a skill set you can learn here with the service. You go check out the testimonials in Discord. You can see lots of folks talking about the service and how the trade calls are super profitable. You check Profit Gains channel. We've amassed around $150,000 worth of profits in the last year posted in the Profits Gains channel just from other users and traders in the community. I'd like all of you guys to check out the 14-day free trial. A coupon code will be pinned in the comment section below this video, so check it out. And we'll take you through 14-day free trial process here. You come down to the website, save 44% and claim your 14-day free trial. Click on that, and that will take you to the Swing Trade Pros website, where you can click sign up now, and after your 14-day free trial is up, on the 15th day you will get billed, full disclosure of that, and I appreciate you guys all joining the community. It will change your lives. Give it a chance. A lot of these swing trades can take months. One of our biggest trades of the year last year was INJ. We took an entry at $1.60, and well, that asset's trading over $35 today. So that was one of the banger trades that I pointed out. My strongest pattern that I trade that I'm known for is the falling wedge. I call it the falling wedge pattern. Lots of divergence on these charts, and that's what makes these patterns really play out. And you guys are going to be able to really learn that in the service, and I really hope you enjoy it. Thank you guys so much. See you guys on the charts.
Wow. All right. WIF. What a tormenting experience trading this thing. So a retest, a successful retest. Interesting. Doji reversal candle. Looks like it's attempting to break the trend line here. Are we going to get a push up now? Echo with me right now. We're now back to break even. We'll take that. See if we can break this Bollinger Band now. All right, we got above the Bollinger. Beautiful. Right, we got the triangle break here on a 5-minute time frame. Wow. Good thing I stuck this one out, huh? The bearish triangle breakout. Tether getting wrecked. Beautiful. What a great thing to see. Damn, ING's gone, dude. Fucking volatile asset, man. Jesus. Remind me to never trade this coin again. Jesus. This is probably going to break short, isn't it? This is ugly. Bear flagged to all hell. My God. Doesn't even matter what Tether's doing. This thing is... This thing's printing a fucking short signal. Eesh. What do we do, boys? Do we cut the trade? Tether did not break the demand zone. They're firing along here. I know this shit's oversold. But eek. Low. Sideways she goes. That 15-minute though, man, just doesn't look good. Looks like it wants to just dump again. All right, I'm gonna end this stream, man. Nobody's really on here tonight, so talk to you guys later. I'm still long.